Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw crypto from Kraken using the Kraken mobile app step by step clearly. Open the Kraken mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Tap on the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Tap on the cryptocurrency to proceed. On the Asset Details page, select the Withdraw option. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Now, you need to add a withdrawal address if you haven't done so already. Tap on Add Address or Manage Addresses. Input the address of your destination wallet carefully. Label the address for easy identification. After entering the address, tap Save or Confirm. Return to the withdrawal screen and select your newly added address. Review the details of your withdrawal. Confirm that everything is correct. Proceed by tapping the Submit or Withdraw button. You may be prompted to complete a security check. Follow the instructions for two-factor authentication if required. Once verified, your withdrawal request will be processed. You should receive a confirmation notification within the app. Keep an eye on the transaction status in the history section of the app. Wait for the withdrawal to be completed on the blockchain. Check your destination wallet to ensure the funds have arrived. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.